Chapter 3, Mirrors and Reflections. Have you been to the dentist recently? Do you remember if he or she used a tool with a mirror to look at your teeth? Think for a minute about how useful that mirror is. Why does the dentist use it? This simple tool allows him or her to see the back of your teeth. He or she can also see teeth way in the back of your mouth. Without it, he or she couldn't do his or her job nearly as well. Ask to see this tool the next time you're at the dentist. So, what is a mirror? A mirror has a smooth, shiny surface that reflects light. Light that is reflected bounces off of something in its path. You have already learned that light travels in a straight line, unless it runs into something in its way. If light hits a transparent object, it passes right through the object. If it hits an opaque object, the light is absorbed and blocked, so a shadow is made. If light hits a smooth, shiny surface like a mirror, it is reflected. Light reflected from the surface of this mirror allows the dentist to see the back of this person's teeth. When a mirror is made, glass is coated with hot, silvery metals and then cooled. This coating makes the mirror shiny, so it reflects back all the light that hits it. Did you know that there are different types of mirrors? You probably use a plane mirror every morning when you get ready for school. A plane mirror has a more or less flat surface. The reflection of something in a plane mirror is almost the same size as the real object. This little girl is looking at her reflection in a plane mirror. Plane mirrors are used in many tools. Cameras, telescopes, and microscopes sometimes use plane mirrors. Some toys even use plane mirrors. Have you ever looked through a toy called a kaleidoscope? A kaleidoscope is a tube with plane mirrors inside. There are also tiny bits of colored glass and beads sealed up inside the kaleidoscope. You look through a small hole at one end of the kaleidoscope and point it toward the light. As you rotate the tube, you will see beautiful colored patterns. Here's what the outside tube of a toy kaleidoscope looks like. Here's what you might see if you looked inside a kaleidoscope. There are two other types of mirrors that are different from plane mirrors. Plane mirrors have flat surfaces, but concave and convex mirrors have curved surfaces. The smooth, shiny side of a concave mirror curves inward like a spoon. The smooth, shiny side of a convex mirror curves outward. Here's another way that concave and convex mirrors are different from plane mirrors. Remember that in a plane mirror, the reflection of an object is about the same size as the object. In concave and convex mirrors, the reflection can look larger or smaller than the real object. 3 types of mirrors. At the top, you have a concave mirror. At the bottom, on the left, you have a convex mirror. At the bottom on the right, you have a plane mirror. The concave mirror makes things look closer and bigger. The convex mirror makes things look farther away so you can see more of something. And the plane mirror just shows things how they really are. Concave and convex mirrors are also useful. Concave mirrors can be used to provide heat using the light from the sun. Remember that sunlight is a form of light and heat energy. The large concave mirror in the image on the next page reflects the sun's energy so that people can warm their hands or bodies outside. What about convex mirrors? The next time you get on a bus, take a look at the mirrors on the sides of the bus. Most buses and large trucks have small, extra convex mirrors on the side view plane mirror. The convex mirror makes objects look smaller, but shows a wider area so you can see more. It helps drivers avoid hitting something they might not see in a regular plane mirror. Curved mirrors change the looks of things because of the way they bounce light rays back. The top picture is a concave mirror. If you think about the word concave, think about a cave that you would go into. So the concave mirror is dipped in like you could go inside of it. And a convex mirror goes outward. It makes things look smaller but shows more of an area. So now you see how useful mirrors are in our everyday lives. Mirrors can also be a lot of fun. A circus or carnival sometimes has a place called the Fun House or House of Mirrors. If you go in, there are lots of concave and convex mirrors. When you look in these mirrors, you might not recognize yourself. Your reflection is distorted. What makes that happen? Now you know it's concave and convex mirrors. Concave and convex mirrors can distort the reflection of an object.